It is in West the noon opening, noon ticket entry time. At Faire, Tokyo, and it was 1,800 yen to get in, about 15 bucks. What else do I want to tell you? I could have gotten 2 days for 1,800 if I'd bought it yesterday, but I didn't. And so I had to come and buy it here same day. If I want to do it tomorrow, I think I can buy it at Lawson tonight and still get it for, I think, 1,500. Otherwise, I'll get it for 1,800 tomorrow. Anyway, fun. The cosplayers are out. Very nice. This one's made of that stuff that you put on the, that you make little signs out of. Hi! Hello! Hello! And then here is the Makey. Ooh. Oh, it's somebody's costume. Nice. Nice. Here is someone's projection dome. $150. Capture your memories. An area for your kids to work and build things. Art plus design lab. Cute.
この前のタモリクラブはマイクロビット使ってたから。そうです。最初マイクロビットが結構やってました。あれも簡単でやりやすくて。会社の知り合いなんですか？いや、
I heard Microbitu.
お知り合いです。長いんですよ。もう10年ぐらいですね。あ、そうなんですか。だから自分も毎年来てるんですけど。
This one is to grow your herbs and veggies. Strawberry growing machine. Nice.